Hey, hello and welcome guys to Seed IT Solutions. In this video, we are going to see how we can create and delete users in Azure Active Directory. Also, we will understand what is Azure Active Directory and what is the importance of that. Also, we will see what are the roles you required to perform this task. Okay, so let's first understand what is Azure Active Directory. Azure Active Directory is Microsoft's cloud-based identity and access management service. It serves as a comprehensive identity and access management solutions for organizations using Azure Cloud Services and other Microsoft services, both in cloud and on premises. Azure Active Directory plays a crucial role in enabling secure and seamless access to various applications and resources for users within the organizations. What is the importance of Azure Directory? There are some key aspects of Azure Active Directory like identity management, single sign-on, cloud-based authentication, application integration, security and multi-factor authentication, device management, hybrid identity, role-based access control, reporting and monitoring, compliance and governance. So now let's see how we can create and delete users in Azure Active Directory. Okay. To create a user, you first need to log in to Azure Active Directory. There are two ways to log into Azure Active Directory, like by accessing admin Microsoft.com. So I have, if you can see, I have already opened my admin center, and so you can directly click here and identity. So as you know, previously it was Azure Active Directory, now it is Microsoft Entra Admin Center. So on the left side, just navigate to users and all users. In the users, you will see a lot of options here: audit logs, sign in logs, delete users, password resets. So there are a lot of things you can do it from Azure Active Directory. If we have to create a new user, just click on new user. So there are two options: create a new user and invite external user. Okay, so let's create a new user. As you can see, user principal name, you have to enter user principal name, mark dot Tela. Okay, and display name will be mark Tela. So we will keep as it is the default password, and we click on next. Tela. So it is a user type, it is a member or is a guest user. So you can enter a job title, company name, whatever. If you want to mention here, you can enter a mobile number of the user, email address. So you can do it from here. You can do it from here. Okay, so click on next. So there are two options here: add group. So if you have any group created here, like HR group or executive group, the finance team, so you can select that group and assign the user to that group. Okay, you can add a role. If you want to assign a role, you can assign it from here. There's option here. I will not assign any role. Create. So you can see the default password here. We will first copy that username password. Just click on create. Now you can see the user is successfully created. So now we will log in with the user we have just created. To log in the user, go to portal.azure.com. Uh, let's copy the user ID and password, sign in. Now it will ask you to update your password. So now I will enter the existing password and set a new password here. Stay sign in. Yes. Now you see user successfully login. Now we will see how we can delete the user from Azure Active Directory. Azure Active Directory, it means Azure Entra. Go to users again, all users. Here it is. Just select the user and click delete. So user is successfully deleted. So that's it in this video. If you like this video, just hit the like button and make sure you subscribe this channel to get the latest notification of the new video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.